Hi everyone, today we're on Module 1 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 4. Please turn to page 13 to follow along and take notes. All right, today we're working on subtraction. Subtraction is the process of finding how many are left when a number of items are taken away from a group. So here's a nice little drawing. 5 strawberries. How many are left when you take away 2? There are 1, 2, 3. This word comes up a lot. It'll ask, what is the difference? The difference is the answer in a subtraction problem. So you have to know what that word means. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 is the difference. All right, this says Julie has 8 new trading cards. She has 6 old trading cards. How many trading cards does she have in all? Well, in all means total, so then you would add. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. She has 14 trading cards. Here we can see in the picture there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mailboxes in all. And there are 3 crossed out. 1, 2, 3. So then we would do 8 minus 3 equals 5. The difference is 5. Number 3 says, Steve's cat had 7 kittens. He gave 4 kittens away. How many cats are left? Well, he had 7. He gave away 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So the difference is 3. He has 3 kittens left. Number 4 says, Joy has 9 silver dollar fish in her fish tank. She also has 5 angelfish. How many more silver dollar fish than angelfish does Joy have? When you see that in a problem, how many more, you would do subtraction. So the more is 9, and that's silver dollar fish. And then she has 5 angelfish. Well, we can see right away 9 is bigger than 5, but we need to figure out by how much bigger. So then you would subtract. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So she has 4 more silver dollar fish. That's how many more. All right, last practice one. 8 minus 6 is 2. The difference is 2. This says Joan had 10 students in her gymnastics class. 4 students moved up to the next class. How many students are left in Joan's class? Well, here's a number line. They started with 10 students, but then 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go to the left on the number line to subtract. 10 minus 4, it ended up at 6. So there are 6 students left in Joan's gym class. Number 6. There are 10 turtles on a log. Then 5 turtles crawl away. How many turtles are left on the log? Well, we had 10 turtles, 5 crawled away. So how many are left? 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 turtles are left. Number 7 says, Ava has 12 balloons. David has 4 balloons. Here's that word, that phrase. How many more balloons does Ava have than David? Well, we know 12 is more than 4, right? 12 is more than 4. How many more? We subtract. 12 minus 4 equals 8. She has 8 more balloons. 15 take away 6. 15 minus 6, the difference is 9. Remember, difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. All right, subtract 2 numbers. When we say with words, begin with a larger number and count back or take away the smaller number. 11 minus 5. So if you go backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 11 minus 5 is 6. The result or answer is called the difference. All right, you're going to complete page 15 on your own. Good luck.